Unlocking the secrets of conjunctions in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of the English language that often puzzles learners: conjunctions. Not just any conjunctions, but we're focusing on the conjunction aspect. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what conjunctions are but also how they beautifully connect ideas in sentences, making your English more fluent and coherent. So, let's unravel the mystery together. Conjunctions are the glue of the English language. They are words that connect other words, phrases, or clauses. Think of them as the bridges that link different parts of a sentence to make it complete and meaningful. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. Coordinating conjunctions join elements of equal grammatical rank. The acronym FANBOYS, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, will help you remember them. Subordinating conjunctions link a dependent clause to an independent clause, introducing a relationship like time, cause and effect, or contrast. Examples include because, although, and since. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to connect elements of equal importance. Some pairs include either, neither nor, and not only but also. The term conjunction aspect refers to how conjunctions function within a sentence to express different aspects of connection between ideas or actions. This isn't a formal grammatical term you'll find in textbooks, but understanding this concept can significantly improve your ability to construct complex and nuanced sentences. Here, we'll explore how different types of conjunctions create various aspects of meaning. Adding information. Coordinating conjunctions like and add information smoothly. Contrasting ideas, but, and, although, show contrast between two ideas without losing the flow of the sentence. Showing cause and effect, because, since, and, so, indicate reasons and consequences, enriching your sentences with depth and logic. Let's put theory into practice. We'll look at examples of sentences that utilize conjunctions to achieve different aspects. Adding information. I went to the market, and I bought some flowers. Contrasting ideas. I wanted to stay outside, but it started raining. Showing cause and effect. She studied hard, so she passed her exams with flying colors. These examples illustrate how the choice of conjunction affects the relationship between the ideas, showcasing the conjunction aspect at work. I hope this exploration into the world of conjunctions and their aspects has illuminated how crucial these little words are in crafting coherent and dynamic sentences. Remember, understanding and applying the conjunction aspect in your writing and speaking can transform your English from basic to brilliant. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to helping you continue your English language learning journey in our next video. Keep practicing, and see you next time.